Okay, so kept on fret number 1 and we're playing this in C. Alright, so for this song, I'm playing the intro, is like advanced intermediate, which is 2 3 2 3 2 3, and then you hammer on and then play 3. So hammer on second 3, so hammer 3, right? So 2 3 2 3 2 3, hammer 3, and the hammer is on second string. Okay, so you do that, and then your chords are C to G. I'm not sure if that's a D minor or A minor, and then we go to F, which is the last chord. So let me just make sure of that part. Okay, so it's actually D minor. But you have to make sure you're not holding anything on the third string. For all chords. D minor to G, C, and then G. So that's D to F. Na 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 na, na na na, darling don't wait. So you play that twice. F, C, and then G, and then. Okay, so you do that twice, and then you get into the chorus. The I wanna love tonight. I wanna. Okay, so C, D minor, F. Okay. So C, D minor, F. That's your chorus, I guess. I wanna love. Twice. Okay, the last time is, which is A minor, G to F, okay? And then we're back to the verse, which is the same as the first one. It's been a while since you played to me. That's your verse, C to G, and then D minor, and then back to C right before we get into D minor to F, C, and then G. Okay, so you have 3 times the I wanna love tonight. That's C, D minor, F. The third time, and then the fourth time you go A minor, G, and then F. There we go. And your strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. let's just scroll to see if we have a progression change anywhere, but I highly doubt. Okay, so we don't have any